Freshmen at Shelton High School are at the Health Science Academy Expo, where they're learning about all sorts of different classes as they move forward, including the opportunity for phlebotomy.
It allows them to kind of imagine what could high school lead to. It doesn't mean that that's necessarily a career they will land in, but it is our goal through the academy model is that students have some career-ready skills, and so we want them to start to imagine what jobs could they do.
Basically, what we're doing is explaining to freshmen a career path into the 911 business. So being a dispatcher and a 911 call receiver, talking about the technology and the job. It's been really good just getting to talk to kids and just getting to show, hey, there's a career path after high school here in Mason County, here in Shelton, and you can live and work in the community and serve the community, and it's a really great opportunity.
This open house is about doing, not just watching.
Make a nick, and if you can, you get your finger in it, so you hold it open. And then you just slide your tube through.
Students are getting hands-on opportunities to be able to practice skills they might use as an EMT or paramedic. I saw some kids drilling into bones, which really grossed me out. The really cool part is that our students who have already demonstrated an interest or an aptitude in our health sciences are now having the opportunity to learn a little bit deeper from a specific person that they're interested in.
We're doing the microscopes and fingerprinting station. The microscopes we're looking at bone, different types of hair, and we also got different type of blood, even leukemia, which is also cancer in the blood.
For many freshmen, this is the first time they're seeing how classroom learning connects to real jobs.
I love this academy. Hopefully, after high school, I really want to be a labor and delivery nurse. But getting people interested into this academy also is pretty cool to me. And seeing them be interested into the microscopes and the fingerprinting, even the phlebotomy arms and any other things on here is really cool. Seeing them experience and being able to see what else they're going to do in the future.
I stopped by NJROTC, which I'm personally in, and that's probably my favorite program at this high school. I learned how to patch up somebody's arm if they're bleeding.
I didn't know how many things went into the Health Science Academy, but I did know some stuff about giving medical aid to someone who needs it. I knew about most of the jobs, but one that really did shock me was teaching. I didn't realize that teaching was part of our Health Science Academy.
And many of the people guiding the students today once walked these same halls. Shelton alumni coming back to support the next group of high climbers.
I can tell you that everybody I brought with me today is a Shelton High School graduate. I know that several of the people in the other departments that came here today, like Matt Heinrich is a Shelton High graduate.
I feel like there wasn't anything like this when I was here, and I'm just so happy and grateful that this community has this opportunity where they can explore all these things, whether it's human services or the medical field, and get to just explore and have that knowledge going into their whole high school career.
And those pathways don't stop at graduation.
So I think everything I've seen here, there's something that matches at SPSCC that students could align their pathway with.
For Shelton freshmen, this open house is about more than choosing an academy. It's about seeing what's possible right here in their school, their community, and their future.